The rule with Bossy R vowels is if there is an R following a vowel, it changes the vowel sound. So A is no longer A, it is R. E is no longer E, it is I is no longer I, it is U is no longer it is And then O is no longer ah, it is or. So anytime an R follows a vowel, it changes the vowel sound. And that's why we call it a bossy R, because it bosses the vowel around and says, hey, you've got to say it my way, right? So let's practice a couple of those words. Let's talk about the sound as in her or fur or bird. There are 3 ways that we make the sound The most common way is ER, and that's the way you should try first every time you hear See if ER fits correctly. And then the second most common way is IR. It also makes the exact same sound, And then the least common way is UR, and we see that in the least amount of words. So that most of the time you'll see ER, sometimes you'll see IR, and then a few times you'll see UR for the sound So let's practice all of these spellings, okay? We'll just practice a few words to help remember. Okay, so this is a very short word. We have a h in the front and in the end. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch. Her. Oh yeah, you know that word, don't you? Say it fast. Her. Yeah, that's the word her. We see that a lot in our reading every day, don't we? Her. Okay. Here's a new word with our most common sound. Let's tap and stretch it. Ready? Fern. Good. Tap and stretch. Fern. Good. Say it fast. Fern. Yeah, fern. Good job. Let's do one more with the ER. Okay, tap and stretch. Jerk. Good, let's do it again. Jerk. Say it fast. Jerk. Yeah, be nice. Don't be a jerk. Right? Somebody who's just being mean. And that is our most common sound. ER. Let's look at our next sound. IR. It also says the exact same sound. Okay, let's look at this IR word. Ready? Tap and stretch. Bird. Tap and stretch again. Bird. Say it fast. Bird. Yeah, that's the word bird. Good job. Let's do another one that you see a lot. Let's tap and stretch it. Girl. Tap and stretch again. Girl. Say it fast. Girl. Yes, the word girl uses the IR spelling for Let's do one more. All right, let's tap and stretch this IR word. Ready? Shirt. Tap and stretch it again. Shirt. Good. Say it fast. Shirt. Say it fast. Shirt. Yes, I have a rainbow on my shirt. Good job. Now let's look at our least common spelling of the sound which is U-R. It also says just like the other two versions. Let's tap and stretch this word. Ready? Fur. Did you hear the word? That was an easy word. Let's say it fast. Fur. Yeah, my mom has a fur coat. Good. Let's try another one. Let's tap and stretch. Burn. Good. Let's do it again. Burn. Good. Let's say it fast. Burn. Burn. Don't touch the fire because it will burn you. Good job. Now let's try a big one. All right, this is a huge word. It's actually 2 syllables. We can break it up into the syllables. Ready? This uses our UR for the sound, but you see it every day. Well, you see it every week, okay? Let's tap and stretch. Ready? Thursday. Oh, did you hear it? Let's do it again. Ready? Thursday. Ah, I think you heard it. Let's put them together. Ready? Say it fast. Thursday. That's the word Thursday. It uses the UR version of the sound. Good job practicing the 3 different ways that we most often spell the sound. Good job.